Hey guys, welcome back to ANIMOTION. In this episode today, we're gonna do animated wave in Adobe After Effects. So we're gonna create a solid to create the wave, but we wanna make sure that solid is bigger than your composition size. So let's check my composition size by hitting Ctrl K, and mine is 1080 by 1080. So we wanna make sure the solid is bigger than that. Right click, new, solid, and I'm gonna make the solid 1920 by 1920, and the color I'm gonna pick from my color palette here. Just use yellow, and then using your rectangle tool, just create a mask, and I'm gonna bring the solid down a little bit, and then look for wave warp in effects and preset. Now you already have your wave, it's even already animated automatically, but we want to change the look. So we want to change the wave height. I want to change it to 15 and the wave width to 125 and see how that looks. I think that looks alright, although the wave is moving a bit too fast for me. So I'm going to change the wave speed to 1.5. That is looking better. Alright, now I want to create a shadow. So I have a tutorial on how to create a grain texture shadow. So you can go back to that to learn about it more. So basically, I'm just gonna duplicate this wave, and I'm gonna change the layer color to something else, to blue. So red is the wave and blue is the shadow. And wanna change the color by using fill effect to something else. I'm just gonna use this orange color, and then bring that down somewhere there, and then hit F. Just make it 300, and then look for roughen edges and scale to 10, edge sharpness to 1.5. That looks alright. Now I want to change the name to wave 1, and then this one wave shadow 1. That's basically it. That's how you make one set of wave, but I want to create and duplicate this wave so that it creates multiple layer of waves. Basically, you just have to copy and paste them. So select them both, duplicate it, put it on the bottom of the composition. Just make sure you put it on the bottom of the composition because it's gonna go behind the first wave. So like that. Obviously I want to change the color, so let's do this pink color, and then for the wave shadow, let's do that purple, but I want to make it a bit different, actually a bit darker, maybe something like that. Alright, we want to change the wave speed, right? Just choosing your red layer, so just choosing the wave, not the shadow. I'm gonna change the wave speed to -0.5 so that it moves in different direction. Now, leave the wave shadow 0.5 because you want to make sure the wave shadow is the same as the wave before it, because it's basically the shadow of the first wave. Let's preview this quickly. Perfect, that's just how I want it. Now we're going to duplicate this again. Just want to change the speed to 0.5 so it moves differently to the pink one, but make sure that the shadow is the same to this. So we want to change the shadow to -0.5 so that it's the same to the pink wave. Perfect. Duplicate another one. Alright, we got your multiple waves now. Now I'm gonna try something a bit different and even like layered it even more. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm just copying one set of the shadow and just rotate it somewhere there. And basically just even rotate it a bit more, actually. Rotate it more. Just put it somewhere there. And then just want to adjust the shadow. Now we just want to change the layer color to something different. So for the wave, I'm gonna change it to that, and the shadow, change it to that, so that we know that these colors are the one that's rotated. And we're just gonna duplicate this again like we did before, and make sure that that's under the hot pink layer. Alright, so we have your multiple wavy animated layers now. And you know, you can always add posterize time, which I like to add. So new adjustment layer, put it at the top, and then go to posterize time. And 12 maybe. Alright, that's it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. And if you have any questions regarding this or any other thing, please leave it in the comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks, guys.